Let's do a UK double crochet. In US crochet terms, this is called a US single crochet. So here I've already got my foundation chain, and we'll place our first stitch second chain from the hook. So we never count the loop that's on the hook, but this is chain 1 and this is chain 2. And when we say we start second chain from the hook, we go into that second chain. Start by inserting your hook into that second chain, yarn over and pull it through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through both loops. And that is your first stitch. I just want to point out that we've worked our first stitch into this chain here. Now we want to work our next stitch into the next chain along. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops to complete your stitch. Let's do a few more. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now find your next chain to work into, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Find your next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops to complete your stitch. We've got 2 more left to do until we complete our chain. Insert your hook, yarn through, and then yarn over and pull through both loops. And now we've got 1 chain left to work into. And congrats, you've completed your first stitch. I just want to explain that crochet times are different in the UK and the US. A UK double crochet is the same stitch as a US single. The stitch itself doesn't change, only the name.